If you are looking to start a side hustle, this video is for you. If you're a graphic designer, come closer. If you're a content creator, stick to the end of this video. If you're a small business owner, watch this video attentively. I'm going to take you through step-by-step procedure on how to make a certificate design on Canva. If you're an online course creator and you want to start issuing certificates to your students after they have completed their trainings or courses, you are going to find this video helpful because I'll be taking you through step-by-step procedure on how to design a certificate on Canva within a twinkle of an eye. If you watch this video to the end, I'll also be showing you how to monetize this skill or how to make money with this side hustle. If you are new here, click the subscribe button and also smash the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So first of all, you are going to locate your Canva. If you don't have Canva, quickly go to Play Store or App Store and then you download. So after you download, just open it. So when you open it, this is the interface of Canva. Yes, this is the interface of Canva. So first thing you need to do is to go to the search bar. Go to the search bar, click on it, and then you search for certificate. Search for certificate. You search for certificate. So we are waiting for it to load. So when it loads, you are going to see so many templates. So all these are templates. You are going to see so many templates already made certificates. So if you want, you can click on create. You can click on create new to start from scratch. You are going to start afresh if you want to start afresh. But if you also don't want to waste so much time on designing your certificate, just choose any of these templates. And if you see this pro, it means you need to buy or you need to pay to have access to it. So you see paid, you have to buy. But if you don't see the paid or pro on any of the certificates, you can download for free or you can edit, you can use it for free. So I'm going to choose the certificate I'm going to work on. Yeah, so just look through and then choose the certificate that suits you, or you choose the certificate that you like. So if you see the certificate you are interested in, just click on it. So you wait for it to load. So this is the certificate we are going to edit. All you need to do is to edit this place. So on top you see the template logo. So all you need to do is to click on the logo. If you like, you can delete it. So just we have the delete button here, so just delete it. If you have a logo, all you need to do is to import your logo onto the certificate. So the plus button here, click on it. We are going to import our own logo. So you go to gallery. We have gallery here. You click on the gallery. When you click on the gallery, you go to images to locate your logo. So I'm going to search for my logo. So I have my logo right here. I'll click on it, then I click on add to page. So here I'm just going to make it very small. Select and hold it, make it very small, and then you place it where the logo is supposed to be placed. So you make it very small. Make it very small, then you place it very well on top. Then the name of the logo, to click on it and then you delete it. So when you delete it, you go to the plus button again, then you select on text, and you select on text. I'm going to use this for my text. Then I'll write Money Literate Academy. So when I finish, I'll now place it under the logo. So I place it this way. So the next thing, so the name of the logo, you can make it very small to make it attractive. So we are here. So certificate of excellence. So you can make it certificate of participation. When you select the of excellence, you can edit it. So you change it to certificate of participation. Certificate of participation. So we have this certificate is proudly awarded to. So you can change the name. So I'm going to change it to Teacher Onga. This certificate is proudly awarded to Teacher Onga. If you like, you can also edit presented to. Then down here we have, you can edit that place too. So for participating in the digital marketing workshop held by Money Literate Academy. So I think we are almost done. Then so this place, you can delete this if you like. You can delete. Just click on it and delete it. Then you see the badge here. We can reposition it. If you want, you can reposition it to anywhere you want to. So we have it here. Then here you can change the name of the course creator. So we are going to change the name of the course creator. So let's see. We are changing the name of the course creator. So I'll write Baba Alasan is the course creator. So after writing, then you position it very well. That's the course creator. The name of the course creator. So the manager down, you can change it to, you edit it to, maybe you write course creator. So then the signature, you can add a signature to the course creator. you can add a signature. So all you need to do here, if you want to add a signature, all you need to do is to sign on a paper, snap it. After snapping it, then you will need to remove the background of the signature. I have a video on my YouTube channel. Yes, so I'll drop the link on how to remove a background of your image. I'll drop the link in the description below. So all you need to do is to go to the description below. There will be a link on how to remove the background of your picture. So I've already removed the background, so I'll just go to my plus button. Then I'll go to gallery. Then I search for my signature. So I have my signature here. Add to page. So I'll position the signature on top of the line, so you see how it is done. So after you are done, the badge, if you don't like the badge, you can equally change the badge. So let's say you don't want the badge, all you need to do is to you click on the plus button. So they've already suggested some badges for us. So you can see they have suggested some badges for us. So if you don't want that, you can just search for badge. When you search for badge, you see different badges. Yes. So you choose the badge you want to use. You choose the badge you want to use. But for me, I'm not going to change. I'm just going to use the one they give me. So after here, so all these you can do editing on it. All you need to do is to click on it. Maybe you want to change the color. So when you click on it, you see the color. You can change the color. So you can edit if you want. If you don't also want it that way, you can leave it this way. And then I think I'm done with my certificate. So all I need to do is to save it. So we have the save button here. So you click to save, or you download. So when you click on it, you see download. So you click to download. So after downloading, it will be saved in your gallery. So it's preparing to download. Remember, I promised you that at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make money from this skill. There are a lot of online teachers who doesn't know how to design the certificates. And there are a lot of people who hold trainings, especially online, every single month, but they don't know how to make this certificate. Now, how do you make money from this skill? Firstly, you can make a sample of the certificate on Canva and then show it to online course creators. Then you now pitch the idea of helping to design certificates to their students so that they can be able to issue the certificates to their students upon completion of their training or courses. Then you make sure you approach them with samples so that it can actually give them an idea of what you can offer. Even if you are charging just $1 to design the certificate and you are able to design for, let's say, 100 participants in a particular training, that means you are making $100. This is actually a good side hustle that can fetch you so much money. You can start this side hustle even if you are not a content creator. That will be all for this video. I want to believe that you've got value. If you did, please do well to like the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching.